Eggplant and tomato casserole with couscous and tahini sauce. Prepare the ingredients. Place 2 cups of wholemeal couscous into a bowl, cover with boiling water. Cover with a clean tea towel and set aside. Finely chop 1 onion. Finely slice 4 garlic cloves. Chop 2 eggplants into 5 cm pieces. Roughly chop 5 tomatoes. Heat a large saucepan on a high heat. Add half a cup of water. Add the diced onion and garlic and saute until soft. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix well. Add the chopped eggplant. Add the chopped tomato. Mix well. Add 1 cup of vegetable stock. Cover with a lid and bring to the boil. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 20 minutes or until the eggplant is soft. Meanwhile, for the tahini sauce, chop 1 garlic clove and place in a bowl. Add half a cup of tahini. Slowly add 1 cup of water while mixing. Add salt and pepper to taste. Mix well. Add the juice of 1 lemon and mix well. Remove the lid from the eggplant casserole. Add salt and pepper to taste and mix well. Serve the couscous, eggplant and the tahini sauce all in separate bowls.